On this video, we're going to talk about how to clean a cast iron skillet and make it sparkling clean. Coming up next. Hey guys, on this video, we normally talk about low carb and keto things, but on this video, we're going to talk about how to clean my cast iron lodge skillet and how to clean it sparkling clean. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe for all things keto and low carb. Let me show you how to clean it out. So first step, I'm going to wipe off all of the excess grease out with a paper towel and just wipe it out best I can before putting any water on it. And then I'm going to run warm water over the top of it. And next I'm going to use my wringer. I will put it in the description link below if you want to get one of these things. They're super inexpensive on Amazon. And you simply just scrub while the water's running all the excess grease off. And next I'm going to use my wringer. I will put it in the description link below if you want to get one of these things. They're super inexpensive on Amazon. And you simply just scrub while the water's running all the excess grease off. The wringer uses the bristles to get out the grit. And you don't want to leave your cast iron skillet wet, so I'm simply just going to dry mine off. And we love the Lodge skillets because they are the best in our opinion. I will put some in the description link below too if you're interested in Lodge products. I am not sponsored by them, but I do simply just love their products. So I'm going to use some organic flaxseed oil. I will also put this in the description link below to help season it and put the oil onto it. I just rub in the oil onto it. And there is how I clean my cast iron skillet. Ta-da! Hey, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and we'll check you again next time for more low carb keto topics.